The Philippines, a nation known for its vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes, is also a global leader in the banana industry. They are the top banana exporter in Asia and the second largest in the world. This success story is a testament to the dedication of Filipino farmers, the fertile land of Mindanao, and the power of innovation. The Philippine banana industry thrives in the southern island of Mindanao. Blessed with vast, rich land, abundant rainfall, abundant sunlight, excellent water, and gentle winds, Mindanao is the ideal location for growing these delicious and nutritious breakfast staples. The journey of the golden banana begins here, at the Tissue Culture Laboratory. Carefully selected planting materials are propagated under strictly hygienic lab conditions. Tissue culture is used to mass propagate bananas, produce uniform growth, and ensure disease-free planting materials. Cutting-edge research has also given the Cavendish variety that distinctive, naturally Philippine taste. After about 6 months in the laboratory and 8 weeks in the nursery, the grown planting materials are ready to be planted in the field. Since a large part of Mindanao is waterlogged, banana producers had to innovate and plant the seedlings on top of platform mounds. The Philippine Banana Growers and Exporters Association, PBGEA, member producers strictly comply with biosecurity and phytosanitary requirements to control any infestation. Workers must go through designated food paths and tire dips to prevent the spread of diseases. While drones are being considered by some growers, aerial spraying remains an economically viable crop protection measure. Air spray application of fungicides is crucial for controlling black sigatoka disease, a major threat to banana crops. Agricultural aircraft equipped with GPS ensure safe, precise, and targeted application of pest control solutions. PBGEA members ensure that their customers can trace their bananas back to the farm where they were grown. Each country where they export has its own set of maximum residue limits, MRLs, which are crucial for maintaining quality and safety. After 10 to 12 weeks on the field, the mature bananas are harvested, carefully inspected, and selected. Only the best Philippine Cavendish bananas make it to the export market. These golden, sweet treats are loaded onto climate-controlled shipping containers and transported to consumers around the world. The Philippine banana industry is constantly innovating and adapting. PBGA member companies have propagated Panama disease-tolerant Cavendish varieties, a critical step in combating the devastating Panama disease, TR4. Unifruti has gained headway in reducing TR4 infestation by using chlorinated water for irrigation. This procedure has allowed the company to protect its farms, a testament to the commitment to research and innovation in the Philippines. PBGEA members have also helped diversify market offerings. Tristar offers premium-priced, less chemical bananas to buyers in Japan. These bananas are known as friendly bananas because they are grown using unique farming practices that guarantee no synthetic chemicals come in contact with the fruit. The importance of Cavendish exports to the Philippine economy cannot be ignored. Bananas are the #1 agricultural export product. The banana growers in the Philippines also strictly observe the voluntary Code of Good Practices on decent work in the banana industry. The PBGEA is supportive of the government's campaign to regularize workers and improve conditions in the banana industry. Companies have taken steps to help agrarian reform beneficiaries improve their lives by donating home lots and paying annual lease charges for the use of land. The PBGEA sees opportunities for industry players to improve the lives of not only their workers and companies, but also the nation as a whole. The fact that production takes place in a region with a history of conflict, home to the country's poorest provinces, underscores the importance of the banana industry in nation building and forging peace through inclusive and sustainable economic development. The Philippine banana industry is a shining example of agricultural success. Through innovation, dedication, and a commitment to sustainability, Filipino farmers continue to produce high-quality bananas, nourishing the world and contributing to a brighter future for their nation.